What if the pain in your joints, the constant tiredness, the bloating, and even your heart problems are not separate issues but all signs of one silent problem inside your body? It's called chronic inflammation, and most people don't even know they have it. Today I'll show you how your daily food can either quietly fuel this internal fire or help put it out naturally. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat, what to avoid, and how to start an anti-inflammatory diet the right way. Inflammation is not always bad. In fact, it's part of your body's defense system. But when inflammation stays active for months or years, it becomes chronic inflammation, and that's where real damage begins. Chronic inflammation has been linked to heart disease, diabetes, joint pain and arthritis, gut disorders, brain fog and fatigue. The good news, one of the most powerful tools to control inflammation is what you eat every single day. Inflammation is your immune system's response to harm. When you get injured or infected, inflammation helps heal you. But problems start when poor diet, stress, lack of sleep, and processed foods keep inflammation switched on all the time. This silent inflammation slowly damages your blood vessels, organs, and cells, often without clear symptoms at first. Modern diets are a major reason inflammation has become so common. Foods that increase inflammation include refined sugar, white flour, deep-fried foods, processed meats, packaged snacks, and sugary drinks. These foods spike blood sugar, damage gut bacteria, and activate inflammatory chemicals inside the body. But here's the key point. It's not about one bad meal. It's about what you eat consistently. An anti-inflammatory diet focuses on whole, natural foods that calm the immune system instead of triggering it. This way of eating is not a trend or a crash diet. It's a long-term eating pattern backed by research. The goal is simple: reduce inflammation, support gut health, protect the heart and brain, improve energy and recovery. And now, let's talk about the foods that actually help. Anti-inflammatory foods include colorful vegetables and fruits, healthy fats like olive oil and nuts, fatty fish rich in omega-3, herbs and spices like turmeric and ginger, whole grains and legumes. These foods contain antioxidants and natural compounds that actively reduce inflammatory markers in the body. If this information is helping you understand your body better, consider subscribing to Health Insight. We break down complex health topics into clear science-based explanations, so you can make smarter choices every day. Many people ask, how fast does this diet work? Some notice better digestion within days, reduced bloating and fatigue in weeks, joint comfort and energy improvements over months. Consistency matters more than perfection. Start small. Replace sugary drinks with water or herbal tea. Add vegetables to one meal a day. Choose healthy fats over fried foods. Read ingredient labels. This is not about restriction, it's about replacement. Your body responds to what you feed it. Chronic inflammation doesn't happen overnight, and it doesn't disappear overnight either. But every healthy meal is a step toward healing. Food can either slowly harm you or quietly help you recover. If you want more videos like this, clear, factual, and practical, subscribe to Health Insight. Share this video with someone who needs to understand inflammation before it turns into disease.